Free Rider, 1959.
At first, Free Rider 1959 had no clue how to motovlog.
Here's some right stuff here.
When he finally figured it out, things didn't go well at first.
Do you have any idea how fast you were going?
Maybe 80.
No, I was pacing you at 90 for quite a while.
I'm sorry.
I had to be doing well over 100 to even catch you bobbing and weaving in and out of traffic like that.
But now he's a motovlogging fool.
If you don't wear gear, at least a helmet, you're an idiot.
I haven't forgotten you, little car. I am very angry at you.
Do you know what you're doing?
Cut. Begin another video. Oh, ow. Ah!
Great, the microphone came loose. Frankie, sync him up for me. Here we go.
What crack? Hide the kids, the biker gang's coming. You're in the street. Get out of the street.
Section 8, Article 1.
Federal health officials have approved an experimental drug to treat psychotic delusions and behaviors.
The most important thing, we got balloons, we got the cargo room, we got drinks, and maybe some bongo drums.
And that concludes our broadcast day.